What is going on, guys? Aaron here from Turbo Details, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2008 Dodge Charger for a loaded interior detail. Now this was insane because black carpets, you from the outside they look fantastic. Just a little, vacuum and you're all good. But no, deep down inside, oh, were there coffee stains. I mean, stains and stuff was coming out of the extractor you would have never even believed before. And we have it all on camera for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video of just vacuuming and carpet extraction. Visa gift card giveaway. Stay tuned to the end for details. What is going on, guys? Turbo Details here. Again, welcome back to the channel. Now, this 2008 Dodge Charger was not the dirtiest car we've ever filmed, but we hope you enjoyed this awesome transformation. Alright, so the trunk, especially on sedans, is going to be one of the harder areas to vacuum, and that's just because of the fabric and fibers used in making this back carpet. Now, this back carpet has to be light enough so that you can lift it up so you can access things in sedans, like in this car, the battery, but in most cars, either some tools, extra storage, or the spare tire. On every detail we do, we always make sure to get inside every compartment because, again, if we can see it, our customers can as well. Before you guys go anywhere, make sure you drop a like on this video and comment down below. Do you like the sounds of the vacuuming or not? Now, for seats that have leather and cloth, we will carpet extract all of the cloth and then come back through with our leather cleaner from Lexol and our Lexol leather conditioner. Now, one thing that I do see, most detailers will just take some APC to that leather, and we find that that's not in a detail because anybody can just use regular cleaner on leather seats. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments and questions. Hey, Aaron, Turbo Details. Hey, Donovan. How can I support the channel? I want to support you guys. Well, there's one thing and one thing only. It is as easy as just liking and putting a comment down in the comment section. This gets the YouTube algorithm to like our video and show it to more people who might be interested in our videos. Now enjoy this nasty coffee-filled seat.
chance. Live for the risks in this moment. Take my hand, then break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim.
Now you guys always want to remember when you are carpet extracting cloth seats, you want to push down in the last pass because these cloth seats hold a ton of water, and in order for them to get to dry easier, you want to make sure that you're pressing down firmly so that the extractor can do its job.
I'll take yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself, and I. So
Tip for all you car owners out there watching this video but are not detailers: get floor mats, specifically WeatherTech. No, we're not sponsored by WeatherTech, but these carpets were very, very clean because of the floor mats that were on top. It costs a ton less to get brand new floor mats for your vehicle than it does to replace the entire interior carpet. Just think about that. Now, as you can see here on that plastic underneath that passenger seat, there is going to be a little bit of our carpet cleaner solution. Now, you just want to wipe that off with a microfiber, and that's why we recommend that you clean all of the plastic interior and panels after carpet extraction. Now, for those of you interested in that giveaway I talked about, $25 Visa giveaway in the next video if we can get over 1,000 views on this video. So share it with all your friends. Make sure to like, comment, all of that. And if we can get over 1,000 views, we will be doing a Visa gift card giveaway. Just another quick tip for you guys. You want to spray down as much carpet solution as you think you need. It's not going to hurt the carpet if you spray down more than you need. It just might be a few more passes through the extractor. Got some great news for you guys. We have partnered with a brand for the next video. So make sure to watch the next video and see the brand that we have partnered with. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Make sure to subscribe to Turbo Details if you have not yet. Like, comment on the video, and get ready for some awesome new videos to come. See you for now, and enjoy these aftershots.